I will show you how to load tools to the matrix of this NHP8000. And also guys, I'm going to show you how to set the tools in proper way, drill and space mill. So first thing I'm going to do guys is just load this one into the matrix. Make sure guys your tools are all clean, especially the tapered. So this is our monitor at the back of the machine where the matrix is located. So that's our tool guys. And now I'm going to load the tools. It is not advisable to put your tools at the spindle. The proper way is load the tools at this place where you are going to put your tools on. Press tool pull out and another tool pull out guys. Since I opened the door of the matrix, so we need to reset, then you can put now your tools. My tool number is tool number 25. Enter. That's for my face mill. Then pull, and then the gripper is going to get the empty pocket. Even if there is no tool on the tool number 25, so your gripper is still going to pick it up and open this door all the way. And we are going to put the holder on this slot. This is the face mill. And we are going to locate that slot to that one. It should be like that guys. You try to twist it so that you know it is on right place, and close the door, and then you are going to press the return, and the gripper will return it to tool number 25. And then we are going to load the drill, tool number 28. Enter. Pull. That's empty. And then open this up again all the way and get the tool. So put that one on the location. Twist it. Close the door again. Then return. Once you put all the tools, then press that tool pull out to deactivate, and then you're done. Then press the main And then guys, you are going to the main monitor at the control panel, and then we are going to offset our tools. So I will show you how to set the tool. Guys, go to MDI, type your tool number. So it's tool 28 M6 and then M527, then insert. So now it's guys inserted on our MDI, and then after that cycle start. Then your machine going to pull your tool number, your tools. To offset the tools on this horizontal mill guys is automatic, so you don't need to do it manually unlike some other machine. So that's your drill, and you can see, so that's our tool setter guys. The point of the drill will touch on our touch sheeter. That's the other way, using M527. It will touch 3 times. It will go back, and it will go down. Close the door. So guys, it's done. Then you have now your length on tool number 28. So that's the length of your tool, 221.485. And we are going to set our base mill, the one that I loaded a while ago, but this one is different from M527, and we are not on MDI. We will go to memory, press memory, and go to custom 1, and then guys look for press this number 5, show reset, and tool set, and then press the length, and then guys you have automatic on center. So we are not going to set this one automatic on center. You can use this one to offset on drills. If you are going to offset your tools on this kind of way, too many buttons you need to press. Unlike using M527, it's just you're just going to type your tool number on MDI and M527. So now we are going to highlight the on center. Use this arrow down key and select, and then once you select, it will go to off center. Then the tool number 25, and the diameter of our tool is 80 mil. So once you have completed filling in this blank, now you are going to cycle start. And also you can see on the monitor you have warning, long tool short tool active, tool will change automatically. Select auto mode, press cycle start. The machine will tell you what you are going to do, and I will press cycle start now, and the machine will pull your tool. The base mill is rotating on reverse rotation, and it will touch on the center of your tool setter. The tool will touch the outside diameter, not the center of the tool. I will show you later guys why you should set the tool length of your bigger tools like face mill on this kind of tool setting, not using the M527. It is, guys, moving slowly. That's a little bit problem because it moves slowly if you are using this kind of tool setting. You can see, guys, that the machine is moving but very slow. Now it's close, guys. It will touch soon on our tool seater. So it will touch, or the outside diameter of the face mill to the center of the seater. So now it's done. Moves away and close. And you have now the actual length of your face mill. So 138.29. I will show you guys what is the reason why you are not allowed to set the length of your tool using the M527. So now I will move the tool setter cover up by typing M76. Cycle start. So that one is now open. This is our setter, guys. Imagine, guys, you are going to offset your tool like this way, like that way. Imagine, guys, you are going to offset your tool at the center of your face mill. So what will happen is you are just going to smash your tool setter, unlike the other way that we use like this. So it will touch at the center of your tool setter, the outside diameter of your face mill. That's the reason, guys, you should set your tool like that, or else you are just going to break your tool setter. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. And if you are not yet a subscriber of this channel, please do consider subscribing to Daddy Sam Piranha. Please leave your comment down below that you subscribe, and I will try my best to reply to you as soon as I can. And if you have any suggestions how we can improve our channel, please feel free to comment down below about your thoughts. And I am 100% very sure that I read all your comments. And a big shout out to all my subscribers and to those who are watching our videos, especially to Ate Dimpol, Jaisel, Jomai, JJ, and Donna Bells. And special thanks to Totoy Bibo Nation ng New Zealand for the support plus premiere that we have. Thank you, guys. See you guys on my next video.